Hi, this is Max from JSoft and welcome to episode 1 of Devlog. In this series, the goal is to showcase our updates for Sales CRM, our automation-powered CRM for Jira. So we'll go over some of the upcoming features that we're working on, explain a little bit of our philosophy and logic for developing these new features, and what you can expect to accomplish from these features. If you're not too familiar with us, JSoft is an Atlassian marketplace vendor with more than 10 apps published on the Atlassian marketplace, with our latest app being Sales CRM, and that is also going to be the focus of our devlogs. So we had a lot of fun doing Devlog 0, so we want to continue updating you guys on our progress, and at the same time, that helps us celebrate our achievement as well. So win-win for everyone. In this episode, we're going to be talking about our latest improvement to our JSM integration. We'll go over what it is, what was done in V1, and why we decided to go for V2. But first, I think we should take a step back and understand why we decided to go with a JSM integration. Why JSM? When we initially created Sales CRM, the integration with JSM was natural due to data being available in Jira. We understood that someone wanted a CRM in Jira would most likely want to capture the data from JSM and try to get all the interactions with clients and prospects that might otherwise never be seen by client-facing teams. And for JSM V1, we did just that. We created an integration where you were able to automatically convert a JSM ticket into a deal. So why do an improvement? Going back on our philosophy for developing things, we believe in doing iteration of an idea, pushing an initial version and getting feedback before doing improvements. Otherwise, it's essentially trying to hit the bullseye with your eyes closed. It's doable, but luck is needed. So really, why spend time trying to improve the tool? Simply because of some shortcomings we identified. The issue we faced with V1 was getting interesting information about the contact directly in Sales CRM. So an improvement was needed in order to properly fulfill the information that sits idly in JSM. So here's how it works. The integration with JSM works exactly as before. We just added a mapping screen to capture the right fields. In other words, you'll go in Sales CRM and create an automation for JSM. Then you'll be prompted to map the fields from JSM to Sales CRM. And voila, you'll now have much more information to work with. And that information is relevant because you're mapping it to your liking. So this opens up the door to additional possibilities. For example, if you now know that you want to capture client information in the CRM, why not ask for additional information during the tickets? That way, you'll be able to build a more complete picture on who your customers are, which could be extremely valuable for you. For example, you'll be able to capture how big they are, get alternative contacts, get the products that they are using or are interested in, and so on. So what did we learn from this improvement session? Well, really the main takeaway from this exercise is that we validated our development philosophy of doing multiple iterations. We didn't fully get it right the first time, and that's totally okay. We learned to gather the right feedback from clients, better understand the use cases, and create a version that would please everyone in the end. And the best part is that we don't leave this exercise empty-handed. The cool thing about this mapping functionality is that it could, in theory, be extended to many more other integration that we do in the future, which means that we'll be able to take the successes from here and hotspot and apply the formula very quickly to other tools. But that's something we'll discuss in our roadmap videos. So what are we up to now? We have a piling list of features and integrations we want to add, so we'll be spending some time on those. Hopefully, this format is nice enough to provide you with insights on what we're doing, why we're doing it, and what we learned from it. That's all for now. Take care. Bye-bye.